And now it's time for Tangerine Talks.
Hello and welcome to Tangerine Talks. I'm excited to introduce our guest today, Gibson-Rockstar cat. Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about Devon Rex cats with our expert guest, Gibson. What can you tell us about the Devon Rex breed? Devon Rex cats originated in Devonshire, England in 1959 when a stray cat gave birth to a curly-haired kitten named Curly, the founding father of the breed. Very interesting. What else can you tell us? Our coats are soft and curly, but can vary in the amount of curl. I'm sort of fuzzy while Tangerine has a longer, curlier coat. It's true! Tell us more, Gibson. Devons are not hypoallergenic because we still have dander. But we don't shed much, and some people with allergies can tolerate Devon Rex cats better than others. I know this part. Devons are affectionate, intelligent, curious, and we love attention. We hope you enjoyed learning a little about the Devon Rex breed. Okay, bye. Thanks for having me.